Excellent affiliate marketing tips that you must know. The allure of the supposed simplicity of affiliate marketing draws a lot of entrepreneurs to it as a potential income stream. However, the ship does not sail smoothly on its own if it isn't guided out of port with deft navigation. Read on into this video for some tips and tricks you can use to find and keep wind in your affiliate marketing sales. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. As the most basic rule of thumb for affiliate marketers, you need to choose a quality product before you get started. If the product you're choosing to promote is of poor quality, your results are ultimately going to suffer. Go with a solid product that has a quality reputation behind it. If not, there is no point in putting in the effort. Sometimes the most effective steps you can take to improve your affiliate marketing efforts have nothing to do with your affiliates themselves. Every visitor to your website is another potential customer for your affiliates. Therefore, concentrating on increasing total traffic to your website will have a positive effect on your affiliate programs, even if you do nothing else to improve them. If you're already running AdSense or something similar, analyze the results. This will help you to see which affiliate marketing to target. For example, if visitors to your health blog click on AdSense ads for vitamins, you could maximize revenue by adding affiliate links for an online retailer that sells those same products, which you already know your visitors are interested in buying. Once the ship of affiliate marketing has set sail, course changes to a good heading are time-consuming. It's best to plot the right heading from the beginning for good winds to flow in. Keep the advice in this video in mind in your affiliate marketing efforts, and notice how much easier things are for you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.